Hi, I'm Amy. I'm from Gympie, Queensland. I got back into riding after about a 10-year break, about 10 months ago. And I noticed that there was a lot of horses that weren't getting the aftercare that they probably should be, and that the industry was lacking in aftercare, which then led me to cryotherapy and then eventually led me to medkey. I was introduced to medkey, I think, December last year. And then I went and had a medkey session for myself. And basically, I had astronomical results on myself, and I thought this product was a game changer, which led to me purchasing one. Yep. On particular, my own horse, I noticed she was quite aggressive when I purchased her. She was once in a day a high performing mare that just wasn't performing for me after I purchased her. And she was extremely nervous. Yeah, kind of dangerous to be around. And after about, I'd say, 7 to 8 treatments of me just hitting her with a treatment like once or twice a week, she's now like an old school horse. She's gentle, she's kind, she comes up for pats, she loves to scratch. My toddler can lead her around. She's performing really, really well. Um, yeah, I've also noticed some other horses that um, their whole body structure has changed since doing it. So they look stronger. They're once again performing really, really well, and just overall, just the performance in them is heightened. So they're just, yeah, doing really, really well in the cutting world and racing world as well. I would say to them, try it, because once they do, they will just be in disbelief that they haven't tried it earlier.